In this video, we are going to see how we can check the spam comments or spam links if you have turned on that filter on YouTube that it automatically hold those comments. I'm going to show you how we can locate those holded comments. So what we want to do is just head over to the profile icon and we click on the YouTube Studio. From here, we click on this community section on the left. And from here, we can see all of the reviews or comments. But if you want to just see the holded comments, you click on this published, click on held, click on apply. And right now I don't have any holded comments. Let's check the other profile. We click on held, apply, and we don't have any holded comments here as well. But this is how we can find it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.